Do you want to learn the secrets to become a millionaire? Are you ready to discover the strategies and habits that have helped some of the world's most successful people achieve wealth and financial success? If so, you have come to the right place. Learn the 15 secrets to becoming a millionaire, compiled from the wisdom and experience of financial experts and successful entrepreneurs. From the importance of setting clear goals and maintaining a positive mindset to the need to be disciplined and have multiple sources of income. These secrets will give you the guidance you need to achieve your financial goals and become the millionaire you've always wanted to be. Get ready to learn and put into practice these secrets to take your finances to the next level. Number 1. Set clear goals. To achieve wealth, it is important that you know exactly how much money you want to earn and in what period of time. It is essential that you set realistic and achievable goals that you can measure and evaluate. Once you have your financial goals clear, design an action plan to achieve them, setting specific tasks and deadlines to complete them. 2. Develop an abundance mindset. An abundance mindset means believing that money is abundantly available and that you can draw it to you through positive thoughts and appropriate actions. You must focus on opportunities and possibilities, not limitations and barriers. Learn to be grateful for what you have and focus on what you want to create. 3. Increase your income. To become a millionaire, you must constantly increase your income. Look for ways to offer more products or services, to diversify your sources of income, and to explore new investment opportunities. The key to increasing your income is to create value and meet the needs of your customers or the market in general. 4. Save and invest wisely. Learn to manage your money efficiently. To save, you must be aware of your expenses and look for ways to reduce them. You should also set a budget and stick to it rigorously. Once you have saved enough money, look for the best options to invest it wisely, whether it is in the financial market, in businesses, or in real estate. 5. Continuously learn. Never stop learning and looking for new opportunities. Read books, attend seminars and conferences, find mentors and network. Stay up to date on market trends and investment opportunities. Continuous learning will allow you to improve your skills, increase your income, and make more informed decisions. 6. Take calculated risks. To become a millionaire, you must be willing to take calculated risks. However, be sure to carefully research and evaluate all opportunities before making a decision. Learn to analyze risk and potential reward, and develop an exit strategy in case things don't go as planned. 7. Work hard and be persistent. Success requires hard work and perseverance. Stay focused on your goals and keep going even when you face obstacles. Persistence and determination are keys to overcoming challenges and achieving financial success. 8. Live below your means. Keeping your spending under control is essential to saving money and building wealth in the long run. Learn to distinguish between needs and wants and to focus on what is essential. Look for ways to reduce your expenses, such as cooking at home instead of eating out, and avoid falling into unnecessary debt. 9. Create multiple sources of income. To become a millionaire, it is important to diversify your sources of income. This will allow you to have more financial security and more opportunities to increase your income. For example, you can invest in real estate, create a side business, or generate passive income through investments. 10. Learn to negotiate. The ability to negotiate is essential for anyone who wants to become a millionaire. Learn to negotiate successfully in commercial situations, in contracts, in investment agreements, and in other areas. A successful trade can result in a significant profit. 11. Be disciplined. Discipline is key to achieving any financial goal. Learn to be rigorous in meeting your goals, managing your finances, and making decisions. Stay focused on your long-term goals and don't get distracted by short-term opportunities that could throw you off track. 12. Be innovative. Innovation and creativity are keys to creating wealth. Look for new opportunities, ideas, and solutions. Learn to think outside the box and find innovative ways to do business. 13. Build strong relationships. Strong relationships are essential for anyone who wants to be financially successful. Build relationships with influential people in your industry, with potential clients, and with investors. Learn how to maintain these relationships and take advantage of them to create new opportunities and grow your business. 14. Learn to delegate. Delegation is essential for anyone who wants to become a millionaire. Learn how to delegate tasks that are not essential to your business so you can focus on the most important tasks. Hire talented and reliable people to help you run your business and manage your finances. 15. Maintain a healthy balance. Finally, to become a millionaire, it is important to maintain a healthy balance between your professional and personal life. Be sure to make time for loved ones, hobbies, and personal interests. The right balance will allow you to be more focused and motivated in your work and will allow you to maintain a sustainable focus on your financial goals. In conclusion, the secrets to becoming a millionaire are a combination of financial skills, a positive mindset, and a disciplined work ethic. Through financial planning, smart investing, innovation, and building strong relationships, you can increase your income and ensure your long-term financial success. It's also important to maintain a healthy balance between your personal and professional life to stay motivated and focused on your goals. Remember, the road to wealth can be challenging, but with the right habits and strategies, you can achieve the wealth and financial freedom you've always wanted.